then this one is one steal of a deal. It comes in at $89.98 at Amazon the time I recorded this, which is one heck of a deal. Also, at $89, it also comes with that carrying case I showed you earlier, which other brands will make you buy your own carrying case. Welcome back to Lee Healer's Sports Massage with me, Adam Cardona. Today, I'm going to be talking to you about the Q2 Mini Massage Gun. Now, if you saw in a previous episode, I reviewed its larger counterpart, the C2 Massage Gun, and that model was smaller than your average massage gun, but the Q2 is even smaller than the C2, and it's a legit option for you to consider if you're shopping by size. Stay tuned to find out if this massage gun is smaller and smaller is a better option for you. Yeah, now, the main thing I know when you think of when you're looking at this is, oh, size. That's the big thing that makes it different. But it's more than just that make it different. I'll talk to you for a few minutes about the other features on that Q2 massage gun and why it might be a better choice for you. And also, to make it convenient, I've left a link in the description if you need to get one yourself. First, let's start by talking about the gun's weight. The gun's weight is actually one of the things that makes the best features when thinking about why you want to own a Q2 mini massage gun. The gun itself actually weighs in at a pound. It weighs in at 0.95 pounds to be precise. So this is ideal if you're not the strongest person ever or if you're a practitioner and you have to be using it all day. Personally, this is one of the things I like because I can hold the gun in my fist, almost completely in my entire fist. This is ideal because if I'm working on someone and I need to get a precise area with that vibration, then it's going to be easier because I can stabilize with one hand and use the other hand to steady, so that way it really gets onto that knot or whatever it is that's being targeted. So massage therapists and physical therapists, if you need a gun, this might be the one. Consider buying it. Now, another type of people that I think that this is great for is anybody who has to travel all over the country or the world, because that could be like an athlete, a CEO, or any other person, and you're traveling a lot, or even if you're just traveling once to go to Disneyland, you know, the way it comes in this little package, it's tiny. You know, it could fit like in the stuff in your overhead compartment even. So, you know, I think it'll work really well in terms of traveling in an airplane. Don't take my word for it because I just got this and I haven't traveled in an airplane yet. So if you leave me a little feedback and you've tried it already, let me know. That would be great. Oh, and if you're enjoying what you're watching so far, don't forget to press down that like button and subscribe if you haven't by now. Now, one of the best things going for this mini massage gun is the price. I realize price is not everything, and some of you will definitely pay full ticket price if you have to, but with massage guns, expensive does not mean better. In fact, some of the best guns are at mid-range price levels. Just from my research and exposure. So if you're shopping for massage guns and you're on a tight budget, then this one is one steal of a deal. It comes in at $89.98 at Amazon the time I recorded this, which is one heck of a deal. Also, at $89, it also comes with that carrying case I showed you earlier, which other brands will make you buy your own carrying case. That alone is going to save you $30 to $40. And it's usually the more expensive massage gun brands that'll charge you separately for a carrying case, ironically enough, like with Theragun and the other one escaped me at the moment. But, you know, just if you like this one and you like what you're hearing, just remember you can go to the link in the description and invest in a massage gun at a great price because it takes care of your body and helps you tune up. So it's an investment. You're not really spending the money as much. And if you're shopping by price, and you want a quality massage gun, this is one of the best price points that you're going to look for. And unless you need one of those larger tools, then you might want to hear a video coming up soon that I'm going to talk about the best guns for under $100. You could choose the right size gun and decide, do you want like a smaller mini massage gun or do you want a more traditional size massage gun for yourself? I would bet that when most of you think about buying a massage gun, you think about a mini, and what you think to yourself is, well, the machine is smaller, so it must be less powerful. That's not true in the case of this gun. This massage gun has 5 settings and can go from 1800 to 3000 percussions per minute, which larger Top Gun massage gun speeds tend to be 3000 to around 3200 percussions per minute, so the Q2 easily keeps up with the larger massage guns in terms of power. Now, in terms of battery power, the gun uses a lithium-ion battery and can hold a charge that lasts for about 4 continuous hours of work. before it needs another charge, which takes about 3.5 hours to give it a full charge. So that's how the battery works, in case you were wondering. Now, one of the great things about the Q2 mini massage gun compared to all the other massage guns is that not only is it easy to hold, but if you look at the contours on this, you can see that it's just made to be naturally gripped by the human hand. I was looking at some other similar massage guns, and they're just bulkier, and it kind of reminds me of 2 tin cans or 2 soda cans fused together with a massage gun attachment put to it. Kind of a more clunkier design, if you know what I mean. Not only is the Q2 made to be held in the hand, but the buttons are on the back and they're put in a way that it's a little recessed, so you can't accidentally press the gun button while you're holding it and change the settings as you're using it. Really smart idea on how they designed it. So to turn it on, you just have to hold your finger down in that recessed area and then it turns on just like that. Pretty simple. And as you see, I'm holding it right now, and I'm even giving it a good squeeze, and I can't turn it off or change settings. So, I mean, come on. So overall, my professional opinion about the Q2 mini massage gun is that the Q2 is great in the category of mini massage guns. Like I said earlier in the video, a mini massage gun might not be for everybody, but if you know you want a mini massage gun specifically, then I totally say this is the one that you want to add to your collection. The C2 Mini Massage Gun gets a 5 out of 5 star rating from me. So click the link in the description to get your own mini massage gun right now. Then after that, I want you to go and watch one of the videos that's off to the side of me, explaining how to use a massage gun or how to use that massage gun in specific parts of your body for warm-up or cool down. Learn right away by clicking on the link and watching the next video, and I'll see you in that next video.